Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken charger. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always begin by confirming your power outlet is functional. Try plugging in another small appliance. Next, carefully inspect your charger cable for any obvious signs of wear, like fraying or exposed wires. Make sure the charger's connector is securely seated in your device's port. Finally, if you have another compatible device, test the charger with it to isolate the problem. Now, let's delve deeper into the cable itself. Often, internal breaks are not immediately visible. Gently bend the cable at various points, especially near the connectors, to see if the charging light flickers or power is restored. Look closely for any areas where the outer insulation is compromised, revealing inner wires. Feel for any irregularities along the cable's length. For a more precise diagnosis, a simple multimeter can test for continuity, confirming if the electrical path is intact. Moving on to the connectors and ports, these are common points of failure. First, carefully inspect your device's charging port for any lint, dust, or debris. Use a small, non-metallic tool like a toothpick to gently clean it out. Then, examine the charger's connector itself. Look for bent, broken, or corroded pins that might prevent a solid connection. The connector should fit firmly into the port. If it feels loose or wobbly, that could be the issue. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, a charger is beyond repair. If you observe severe physical damage, such as a deeply cut cable or a visibly broken connector, it's time for a new one. Persistent intermittent charging, even after troubleshooting, often indicates an internal break that cannot be easily fixed. Furthermore, if your charger becomes unusually hot to the touch, replace it immediately to prevent potential hazards. Always opt for genuine replacement parts to ensure safety and optimal device performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.